Hi friends, hola amigos, it's me, Miss Andrea. Today we are going to play with Peekaboo Farm Animals. Are you ready? Here we go! Yeah, it's time to play. Wow! What is this? Yeah, it's a bar. What color is this bar? Yeah, it's red. And this bar has the number 1. It's a red bar. Say open and see what is inside. Say open. Wow, look at this. It's a horse. Neigh, neigh. The horse on the farm says neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. The horse on the farm says neigh, neigh, neigh. All day long. Let's put the horse here. Now, should we do more? Yeah, say more. More, please. Okay. This is the next color. It's the color orange. Yeah, it's the color orange. And this bar has the number 2. Look. Yeah. Let's say open and see what animal is inside, okay? Say open. Wow. Moo. It's a cow. It's a little cow. Moo, moo. The cow on the farm says moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. The cow on the farm says moo, moo, moo. All day long. Okay. We have the horse, the cow, and we have more. Say more, please. Wow, what color is this? It's the color green. And this bar has the number 3. Say open, open, open. Wow, it's a little pig. Oink, oink, oink. The pig on the farm says oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. The pig on the farm says oink, oink, oink. All day long. Wow. Should we do more? Yeah. Say more, please. Wow, we have the next bar. It's the color blue. And this bar has the number 4. Look, yeah, it's the number 4. Say open to see what is inside, okay? Open. Wow. Quack, 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 quack. Wow, it's a little duck. Quack, 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 quack. The duck on the farm says quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. The duck on the farm says quack, quack, quack. All day long. Wow. We have the horse, the cow, the pig, and the duck. We have another bar. What color is this bar? Yeah, it's purple. And this bar has the number 5. Say open. Open. Abre. Wow. We have a little goat. Ma, ma. The goat on the farm says ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma. Ma, ma, ma. The goat on the farm says ma, ma, ma. All day long. Good job! We did it! Let's review the animals we found. Horse, cow, pig, duck, and goat. Yay! Okay, now it's time to say goodbye. This barn is the color red. We are going to say bye bye horse, bye bye horse, bye bye horse, bye bye horse. Yay! Next color is orange. Say bye bye cow. See you next time. Adios. The next color is green. Say bye bye pig. Bye bye pig. Yay. The next bar is the color blue. Say bye bye duck. See you soon. Yay. And the last color is purple. Say bye bye goat. Bye bye goat. Bye bye goat. Yeah, we did it. Let's review the bars. This is red bar with a number 1. This is orange bar with a number 2. This is the green bar with a number 3. The next one is the blue bar with a number 4. And the last bar is color purple with a number 5. Yay! We did it! Good job! Thank you so much for playing with me. See you next time. Bye bye, friends. Adios.